Hey, let's go. Everybody in, everybody in, everybody in. Hey, 60 minutes all day, baby. Let us never take this for granted, dog. We all we got. We all we got. Let's go, man. Trust the technique, trust the fundamentals, all that. Play for your brother. Play with your brother. Play fast. Play physical. That's all we know, man. Hey, what up, y'all?
I don't give a about nothing but dominate today. Yeah. And they want aqua, they get hit in the mouth. Yeah. 60 minutes of great football on the first play. Yeah. Put in everything you got. Yeah. Do your job at a high level. Let's win this game. Yeah. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. This game will forever be won in the trenches.
Game starts up front in the trenches. Every snap, every down, we set the tone.
Let's hit some in the mouth and walk away with a dub. Big John's on 3. 1, 2, 3. Big John.
Let's go out here and ball, y'all. Do what we do. Let's make this shake and make this count.
We in there all white for another reason. We clean. Let's get this dirty too.
Hey, these are all white. These ain't no horizon.
With an A+ effort and a touchdown by Miami.
Come on.
What is 50?
Huntley rolling right at the 10, 5, cuts it up to the end zone. Touchdown!
Get the ball, cuz. Y'all boys, give me the ball, cuz. Give me the ball, coach. Give me that ball back, coach. Or we'll go for 2.
To the end zone. Touchdown. Tua for 2. Waddle got it. This is to tie. And he got it. It's all tied at 26. You can get in the end zone, the game's over. Good time. To the end zone. Got it. Smith. Touchdown. The Dolphins win.
How you want it, baby? Let's go! How you want it? Let's go, baby!
Tua, end zone, caught, Smith, touchdown! What a throw! Pass perfect. And that's Smith. Jonnu Smith, the number of catches now on the season, 74. That is the most by a tight end in franchise history. Wow. Huntley throwing. That one's caught by Jonnu Smith. Touchdown! And on that touchdown, he ties the Miami Dolphins franchise record for most touchdowns in a season by a tight end.
On the 12th play of the drive, Huntley in rhythm, end zone. He's got Jonnu Smith for the touchdown. Has his 8th one this year. That's a Miami record for a tight end.
Again, you mentioned record-setting touchdown there for Jonnu Smith. I mean, what impact that he's made in his first season here at the tight end position for the Dolphins.
Keep your fucking pads down. Keep your eyes on the work. We knew it's going to be a dogfight, man. Hey, we need more dogs. We need more dogs. Together, man. Only way we get out of this. Hey, let's keep them downhill. Let's go, baby. Go, man. What? JV?
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
And look at the Dolphins get to him. Brooks, the first one there. Jordan Brooks.
We were grown man ball right now, grown man ball.
Hey, good job, JB. Hey. Yeah, baby. Man, come on.
Good job, bro.
Give me 30 long. We will eat.
I know. We didn't get There's a lot more meat on this bone, baby.
Thompson Robinson in trouble again. Ball comes out, and the Dolphins have it. Deshaun Hand recovers the fumble.
Don't get bored with good football, man. Don't get bored with good football.
Fourth down to the outside. It's caught by Woods, but short of a first down. And Jordan Brooks makes another tackle for the Dolphins defense.
That's why the tackle.
4th and goal. Thompson Robinson to the end zone. It is broken up, incomplete. Jalen Ramsey got a hand on it. Thompson Robinson over the middle again, and he's picked off. Intercepted by Dotson.
Hell yes.
With the pass underneath, it's tipped and intercepted. Tyrell Dotson, the AFC Player of the Week. Back-to-back games with a pick. Dolphins have it at the Jets 15.
Yeah, first play of the game? Ah, that's hard as hell. First play of the game. The ball finds energy. The ball finds energy. I was trying to get busy.
Stroud, pressured, chased, brought down, Chop Robinson. From behind, a sack.
Good job. Keep balling.
Chop from Chop Robinson.
Who's been off the charts this last month and a half. And whoa, they hit a home run with this first-round pick.
Purdy throws downfield, and he's intercepted. Picked off. Coho has it.
Over with. Go watch how I hit for you though. Go watch how I put him my ass for you though. Hey. Over with. Yo. Hey, you need a dub. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Merry Christmas. Yeah, big turn. Big turn. We going up, baby.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you.